AM, you know you my favorite white boy, right? I owe you for this one.
I've been patiently waiting for a track to explode on. You can stun if you want and your to get rolled on. It feels like my flow's been hot for so long. You thinking I'ma fall off, you're so wrong.
I'm innocent in my head, like a baby bone dead. Destination heaven, sitting politic with passengers from 9/11. The Lord's blessings leave me lyrically inclined. I ain't even got to try to shine. Guards and seamstress that tailor fitted my pain. I got scriptures in my brain, I can spit at your dame. Straight out the good book, look, it's a shook. 50 fear no man, warrior. Swing swords like Conan. Picture me, pen in hand, write lines, knowing the source of quoted. When I die, they'll read this and say a genius wrote it. I grew up without my pops, that make me bitter. I caught cases, I cocked out this, that make me a quitter. In this white man's world, I'm similar to a squirrel, looking for a with a nice butt to get a nut. If I get today, my phone will stop ringing again. These industry ain't friends, they know how to pretend.
Patiently waiting for a track to explode on. You can stun if you want and your to get rolled on. It feels like my flow's been hot for so long. You thinking I'ma fall off, you're so wrong. Patiently waiting for a track to explode on. You can stun if you want and your to get rolled on. It feels like my flow's been hot for so long. You thinking I'ma fall off, you're so wrong.
You've been patiently waiting to make it through all the hating, debating whether or not you can even weather the storm. When she lay on the table, they operating to save you. It's like an angel came to you, sent from the heavens above.
They think they're crazy, but they ain't crazy, let's face it. Basically, they just playing sick, they ain't saying 50 A to the K, get in the way, I'll bring Dre and them with me and turn this day into mayhem. You staying with me? Don't let me lose you, I'm not trying to confuse you. When I let loose with this and just do your Isuzu. You get the message, am I getting through to you? You know what's coming, you don't even know, do you? Take some big and some pop, and you mix them up in a pot. Sprinkle a little Big L on top. What the do you got? You got the realest and illest tied up in a knot. The juggernauts of this rap, like it or not, it's like a fight to the top just to see who died for the spot. You put your life in this, nothing like surviving this. Y'all know what time it is, soon as 50 signs on this dot. What you know about death threats, cause I get a lot. Shady Records was 80 seconds away from the towers. Them cowards with the wrong building, they meant to hit ours. Better evacuate all children, nuclear showers, there's nothing spookier. You're now about to witness the power.
Patiently waiting for a track to explode on. You can stun if you want and your to get rolled on. It feels like my flow's been hot for so long. You thinking I'ma fall off, you're so wrong. Gang squad here, all of this go off. It's 50, they say it's 50. See a laid out with his top blown off. It's 50, man that wasn't 50. Don't holler, my name.
Shouldn't throw stones if you live in a glass house. And if you got a glass jaw, you should watch your mouth, cause I'll break your face. Have your running mumbling to the J. You're going against me, dog, you're making a mistake. I leave you looking like the Michael Jackson jackets with all them zippers. I'm the boss on this boat, you can call me skipper. The way I turn the money over, you should call me flipper. You're the regular, you calling her wifey. I then feed her fast food, you keeping her icy. I'm down to sell records, but not my soul. Snoop said this in 94, we don't love them. I got pennies for my thoughts, now I'm rich. See the 20 spinning, looking mean on the 6. Wearing flags, cause the colors match their clothes. They get caught in the wrong hood.
Patiently waiting for a track to explode on. You can stun if you want and your to get rolled on. It feels like my flow's been hot for so long. You thinking I'ma fall off, you're so wrong. Patiently waiting for a track to explode on. You can stun if you want and your to get rolled on. It feels like my flow's been hot for so long. You thinking I'ma fall off, you're so wrong.